Hey there, it's Kathryn, your nutritionist and healthy living coach. And I'm so excited. I'm getting ready for my 3 months to Thrive group. We meet every Tuesday night and we learn to transform not only our relationships with food, our relationships with life. Tonight I'm making a simple, yummy, delicious minestrone soup. My husband and I went to an Italian restaurant, and of course I don't eat the pasta because I'm gluten-free. So what did I do? I got the minestrone soup and I was so happy that it didn't have any noodles in it. So this minestrone soup is so easy. I've been simmering the garlic, the onions, and a little olive oil, and then I put in some celery, some carrots, like super easy. But you don't even have to cut these up. Actually, you can buy things that are already chopped at either Trader Joe's or Whole Foods. And then I put 2 big containers of Pacific vegetable broth. And now I like Pacific because it's organic, and not only is it organic, it doesn't have any sugar. You really have to look at the ingredients on these containers and make sure they don't have sugar. It's also BPA free, which means it's bisphenol A free. So many of these containers are lined with bisphenol A, and bisphenol A, unfortunately, it is carcinogenic. So I'm just going to turn up the fire a little bit, and the next ingredient is some canned beans. I use cannelli beans, and they also are BPA free. So I'm just going to throw these in. Yum, this is looking so good. I wish you were here because it's delicious. And then our next ingredient is some spinach leaves. I buy baby spinach in a box. Super simple, super easy, right? There we go, just throw that in. And 3 cups of potatoes. Now I use red potatoes because they're very low on the glycemic index. So I throw those in, boom. And then I put in some peas. Frozen peas are so good. And hey, let's face it, I am over 50 and menopausal. So these help with estrogen levels, and so do the potatoes. I need all the help with my estrogen that I can get. Eating really good, whole, real foods helps with my hormones. So I throw all that in, and the next ingredient I put in is some oregano. So about a tablespoon of oregano, about the size of the palm of your hand. There we go, some oregano. Oh yes, and we can't forget the zucchini, yum, chopped into little bits. Again, you can buy these already chopped at the store to make this really simple, really, really easy. I'm going to put a little sage in, again, for my hormones. And then when this is done, I'm going to blend a little bit of it up, like a cup of it up. I'm going to blend it in my high-speed blender. And it makes it so the whole soup is a little bit thicker, and you don't have to use any thickening agents. The last ingredient I'm going to use is basil, yum. So I put a little bit of basil, like maybe a tablespoon of basil. Whoops. And that is it. Super simple, super easy, and I'm just going to stir it. And once I've gotten the finished product, I will share it with you. So incredibly delicious. We cook this for about 40 minutes, and boom, you've gotten dinner for several days. So enjoy. I'll post the recipe. And if you want to know more about what I do and my 3 months to Thrive program, check it out on my website, kathrynchess.com, www.kathrynchess.com. Thank you.